My oh my, so the brake lights wouldn't turn off. I take off the panels. This thing falls out. Not sure what it is. Obviously some crazy electric work going on. There was a couple loose wires here, one up here that was live into that fuse box. Over there, it was sparking when I touched metal, so I ripped that out. And I found some pieces on the floor. There's one. There's one. So there was some sort of stopper. Here's one. This goes in the middle somehow, upside down. And then that led me to believe that it was the little piece of plastic broke, indicating or making the brake light switch not touch, so it was always on. So I'm gonna glue this dime, or not glue, but tape this dime onto, I'll show you. Brakes go up to, let's see if I can focus a little better. This is not easy. Up. It's not really showing, but maybe if I get back here. You can see there, we're getting. Oh, I missed that. So this goes in there. Let's see how it depresses, but it's going to go in the hole, so it won't work. I'm going to cover that up with a dime. And then turn a half quarter turn clockwise, and it'll stay. Then that little thing will depress, but we don't want it to go in the hole like that. Okay, so you can now see the dime right here, taped around the brake lever. Not very focused, but try that. Not sure if that works or not, but I think it's gonna work. Couple more rounds of tape. Right there. So I went around 3 times or so, and then I'm going to put this back in there. It's got to go a quarter turn. Oh, come on. There we go. So you go all the way to hit the dime, like that. Quarter turn, done. So now, wait, let me see. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck, pretty much. Okay, where's it at? Right here. So let me do that. Okay. Now when I hit the brakes, it'll let that go. Just like that.